Hi, I'm Randy Hall. I'm the CEO of Securafy. Securafy is a cybersecurity company. We're also known as a managed security service provider. Our job, our core focus, is to provide cybersecurity as well as managed services to our clients. And it's not just managed services, maintaining your computers and networks, and the security. It's also about compliance. It's about penetration testing. It's all about keeping your business secure. We'll offer you a complimentary penetration test. Cybersecurity assessment will find exactly where you're at. It's like going to the doctor's office. You know you don't feel good. You suspect that you might have something going on. You don't know what it is. The doctor doesn't just offer you a prescription. They have to run a diagnosis first. Many small businesses just need a minimum amount to be secure. We call that our essential care. Other businesses are much more. They have compliance issues, requirements. They have multi-sites. They're a whole lot bigger. Maybe they need our secure care. Maybe you're a CMMC client. That's what you need to do business with the Department of Defense and aerospace industry. Well, then maybe you need our complete care. Maybe you have that all handled, but you need somebody to offer compliance services and work with your team. It's not a one-size-fits-all, but it is one company that can fit all those requirements. I'm often asked, what makes us different? Everybody will say, oh, we give the best service or we do the fastest response, but then they don't back it up, they don't prove it to you. Every client of ours has a dashboard, a portal they can log into. They can see the average response time, the average resolution time. When we say that we answer every call live, a voicemail, it's true. When we say our average response time to start a ticket is less than 5 minutes, we prove it because you have a graph that's live for the last 30 days. You can see it in your portal. When we say we'll keep you compliant, you'll see daily results updated daily in that portal showing just exactly what your compliance and footprint is, what your security footprint is. We provide that live feedback all the time. And we back it up with our 100% guarantee that says, if you're not happy, you don't pay. If I had to name 3 things that I think that every business should really plan for, you need to plan for compliance, security, and to keep your business data safe. It's about the data. You need to have access to it when you need it. You need to make sure that the wrong people don't have access to it. And you need to be compliant. Security, it's not just a technology solution. It's people and processes. You need to train your people and you need to make sure they follow your policies and processes. Remember, security starts with people, processes, and technology. It's like a stool, it has 3 legs. You take one of those legs out and that stool falls over. It's the same way with your data security in your business. You need all 3 legs to support you.